If you step on dog poop, would you just wipe it off or would you wash your feet? How about your rear end? Do you just wipe it off or do you wash it? We are talking about bidets today with a live demonstration at the end. Most of America still hasn't discovered the goodness of having a bidet, and that's mostly because there is a stigma attached to the use of bidets in the United States, while it is commonly found in Europe, South America, Asia, and many other countries around the world. Many Americans are unfamiliar with how to use a bidet and may feel embarrassed or self-conscious about using one. This leads to a lack of understanding about the benefits of bidet use, such as promoting better personal hygiene and increased cleanliness as well as reduced toilet paper waste. Speaking of stigma, have you seen the humorous skit from Saturday Night Live about bidets? If not, I highly recommend checking it out. Another reason is the lack of availability in the United States. Bidets are not as commonly installed. This means that Americans may have to purchase and install a bidet separately, which requires dedicated plumbing, adding to the expense. But most people are not even aware of the fact that there are bidet attachments now that can be installed directly to your toilet fixture without needing any additional plumbing. It's a super easy and affordable option compared to installing a separate bidet. Give it a try and see for yourself how much it can improve your bathroom experience. Let's take a look at these easy steps. Step 1. First, locate the water supply line under your toilet. This is usually located on the wall behind the toilet or the floor below. Turn off the valve. Step 2. Flush the toilet to empty the tank. Step 3. Unscrew the existing flexible line from the water tank and attach the TBalve that comes in the package to the water tank. The TBalve will allow you to share the water between the toilet tank and the bidet. Attach the flexible line to the TBalve. It is important to hand tighten the connection first, and then use a wrench to make a couple of turns to ensure that it is secure. Step 4. Now it's time to attach the bidet hose, again provided in the package, to the TBalve. Simply screw the hose onto the TBalve and tighten it to ensure a secure connection. Do not over-tighten it. The other end gets attached to our bidet. Step 5. Finally, attach the bidet attachment to the toilet seat using the supplied non-slip mats, mounting brackets, as well as the bolts and washers of your toilet seat. It's just that simple. Now you can turn the valve back on and test the bidet attachment to make sure it's working properly and there are no leaks. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the added cleanliness and convenience of a bidet attachment in your own home. This model with dual nozzle offers a feminine wash. Ladies, this can be a game changer during your monthly cycles. We are thrilled to have Ms. Teddy Bear join us for our live demonstration today, because we are not brave enough to do so ourselves. Ms. Teddy Bear is a renowned enthusiast of toilet paper and is happy to show us the proper use of a bidet. After completing her business, she will turn on the water slowly and adjust her rear end to get the aim right, enjoying the refreshing cleanliness that the water provides. When she is finished, she may choose to use a small amount of toilet paper to dry off. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration and learned more about the benefits of using a bidet. Thank you for joining us, and happy washing!